3, 2, 1, go.
This is going to be legend. Wait for it.
Jerry. My name is Joseph Motherwell, and this is Isaac Defoe, and this is our AP Bio Cell project. Now, have you ever looked at a cat and looked at a person and thought, how are they made of the same thing? Because the cat seems a whole lot smarter. I do all the time when I look at my friend, Peyton Corder. I mean, look at his hair. No smart person makes a choice like that. But let's really put it to the test to see if they are made of the same thing. But first, let's enter this strange-looking portal. Whoa, where am I? Let's open this funky little beat going on. Let's open this fun chest and look at this minecart. Hit this button, and we are off to the races. Whoa, what am I coming up on? And there is a stop. What is this? Hey, sir, do you know what this is?
This is a Lysome, Joe.
What does a Lysome do?
This acts as the recycling and waste management service of the city. Digest waste, old parts, and bacteria that are inside the cell.
And these little green golem guys? Whoa, I can move them. What does he do?
Well, these are the guys that actually break down the stuff that gets engulfed by the Lysome.
Oh, I see a whole another one up there. It does the same thing, I presume.
Oh yeah, exact same thing, Joe.
Well, let's get moving to our next thing on this fun little button right here. Whoa, and that was a quick stop. Quick stop. Let's climb these stairs in. Whoa, let me take a guess. This is the Golgi apparatus.
Bingo.
Now, what does the Golgi apparatus do for the city?
Well, this is the post office or warehouse. It receives the proteins and lipids from the ER, packages them in vesicles, and sends them out to where they need to go, inside or outside of the cell.
That's pretty neat. This is a pretty big guy. Is he usually this big?
Some Golgi apparatuses are bigger than others.
Yeah. Well, let's go on to our next step. Let's get back in this minecart. Whoa, we're off. Going through some stuff. Fun little part. What's in this corner? This corner? Another guy. Oh, and our next stop. Now, Isaac, what are we looking at here? I recognize these button type things. These are meant to be ribosomes, correct?
Correct.
But what is ribosome on exactly?
This would be the rough ER.
What does ER stand for?
Endoplasmic reticulum.
So pretty fancy words. What is the rough endoplasmic reticulum do?
Well, it's like the production plant and quality control center of the city. It folds and modifies new proteins.
So while the Lysomes with recycling and the Golgi apparatus was the postmaster, this guy, he's the construction guy?
The production plant and
production plant. I must have misheard you wrong. Well, let's get off to this next part. Let's see where we're off to. And whoa, this is some cool stuff going on in here. What is this light blue ball and this dark blue ball out across?
Well, Joe, this is the city hall of the cell.
City hall. So this guy makes the decisions?
Pretty much, Joe. This big blue dark sphere on the outside, that's the nucleus. That holds the cell's DNA, which contains the instructions for making proteins and running the cell. With this light blue cell inside, or the sphere, I should say, not a cell, it's the nucleolus. It's what makes the ribosomes, which build the proteins.
So this guy, he's the producer of those ribosomes I be seeing everywhere.
Oh, yeah.
It's a neat job for him.
Those are like little factories. They read the instructions from the DNA, sent out as mRNA, and build proteins.
So you could say this big blue guy, he's making the rules, sending out the laws and stuff, and everyone out there is following them and doing their job.
Yep.
Now let's get back in the minecart and see where we're off to next. There's no button to hit there. It's not as fun. But oops, got off to a slow start here. Let's get through here. Oh, hit some glass, and let's keep going. let's go up the side, which I believe, if I'm not mistaken, is called the cell membrane. Am I right on that, Isaac?
Yes, sir.
Whoa, fun drop. Let's see. Let's climb this ladder down. And this is DNA Junior. Whoa, all grown up now, and his mom, DNA. Now, where are we exactly?
We're inside the mitochondria, Joe.
What does the mitochondria do?
Well, it's like the power station or the powerhouse of the city. Keeps the city running.
And why is there a DNA Junior and his mom in here? I thought one cell just had one DNA. Did that now the mitochondria has its own?
Yeah, Joe. And even cooler, you have your mother's DNA, your mother's mitochondria DNA.
The exact same.
Exact same.
Well, let me get some little quick snack from Mother DNA over here, and it's it's not working the best. Oh, there it is, ATP. Let's drink this for some quick energy, and we're off to our next station. Let's hit this button
ATP?
again.
That's the energy cell.
Let's hit this button and oh no! Let me retry that. I need a little push. Thank you. Oh, I missed the tracks, but that's fine. We'll just get on right here. Oh, it might go left without me. Okay, now, where are we at now? I see some water. I see some glass. Where is our final destination?
We are inside the vacuole.
Now, I'm just wondering. I've been to a plant cell before. They had a really big central vacuole. Why is this one so small?
Well, because we don't need that to help maintain pressure and structure. The vacuole of an animal cell, it's just like a storage warehouse. It stores water, nutrients, and waste.
Oh, that's what I'm looking around me. I can see the water and the nutrients and waste are probably just in there. And now I have a couple more questions before we go. So, Isaac, this white we've been walking on the whole time. What is this meant to represent?
It's the cytoplasm, Joe.
The cytoplasm. Now, cytoplasm is usually liquid. I guess now it's probably this for walking, but what does the cytoplasm really do?
Well, it's like the land and water where the whole city operates.
Oh, so you could say this is the foundation, and everything else from Postmaster General over there to the power plant to the nucleus, or should I say the city hall, is all built on this foundation.
Yeah, it's a jelly-like fluid where all organelles float and reactions happen.
I have a fun little fact for you before we head off. You know, it's raining, and that's a perfect time to explain how this cell membrane, or the plasma membrane, either one you want to call it, it's made of phospholipid bilayers. And this is really good for those inside fatty acid tails, as they're hydrophobic. You know what hydrophobic means, my friend?
They don't like water.
Yep, and I mean, there's a whole lot of water coming from the sky right now, so it's a good thing they're in the middle of those two hydrophilic heads. Now, let me take one big overall look at this. This is the overall city. Each thing has its own job to do, from the plasma membrane to even to the lysosomes in there. Thank you for listening to our AP Bio project, and I'm going to have Isaac cap us off with a joke before we leave.
Why do biologists look forward to casual Fridays?
Why do they?
Because they can wear jeans.
That's really funny. Thank you for listening, and that is all.
Hey, in case I don't see you, good afternoon, good evening, and good night.